Muslim girls, I'm talking to you. I don't care if you plan on not working when you get married. Don't care if you plan on being a stay-at-home wife, stay-at-home mom. Get your degree. I find it honestly terrifying and completely unfunny when people make jokes like, I don't know why I'm getting this degree. I'm just gonna be a stay-at-home wife. Oh my God, I want to drop out. Ladies, the thing is, you can say all you want. It was just a joke. It's just a joke. It's not funny. And the reason why it's not funny is because having complete financial independence on a man is terrifying. Financial abuse is so real. And yes, Muslim men are supposed to be better. Our religion teaches them better. However, there are Muslim men who don't follow the deen. Point blank, period. There are so many Muslim men who will financially abuse you. And I'm just gonna be real. You can love someone, you can think you know who they are, but you will not know who they are until you're married and until you're living with them. That's just the truth. And that just may be your test from Allah. So if you're ever in that situation, you need to have some sort of financial stability or some sort of backup plan so that you are not stuck solely relying on this man who may be abusing you. I don't care if you got married at 19, still go get your undergrad. Get some sort of degree, get some amount of job experience. Inshallah, I hope this for everyone watching this. You marry someone who is amazing and a good Muslim and will never treat you that way, but you just never know. And I say this from experience. And I say this because my own mother had this experience and I grew up seeing that and living through it. And it's a good thing my mom had work